Good morning to one and all. Today we look at the next chapter in Beehive textbook for Standard 9. The name of the lesson is Evelyn Glennie Listens to Sound Without Hearing It by Deborah Cowley. This is a biographical piece which tells us how sheer determination and hard work, perseverance and courage can alone help achieve anything if we put our heart and soul to it. No handicap or barriers can break one's way if one has the will to live their dreams. Even someone who is totally deaf can still hear, feel music. How is that possible? Well, this is exactly what is being showcased through the life of Evelyn Glennie. Who is Evelyn Glennie? Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist who was born in 1965. She performs internationally with a wide variety of orchestra and contemporary musicians. She has won many prestigious awards for her work. What makes her achievements remarkable is that she fought against a physical disability and became a source of inspiration for thousands of disabled people around the world. The fact is, she is profoundly deaf. Evelyn was not born deaf. She was 11 years of age when it was discovered that she had a problem with the sense of hearing. Her deterioration had actually started when she was just 8 years. It was her mother, Isabel Glennie, who first noticed it during one of her piano performances. Her doctors further suggested that Evelyn should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black. But Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and follow her interest in music. She wanted to pursue a career in music, but the teachers discouraged her. It was Ron Forbes who recognized her potential and supported her in achieving her goal. He advised her not to listen through her ears, but try to sense it, feel it in some other way. He tried it out by tuning two large drums to different notes. Soon, Evelyn could feel the vibrations of higher drum from the waist above and the lower drum from the waist down. Later, she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. They tingled upon her skin, her cheekbones, and even her hair. She had learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibrations. And after that, she never looked back. Evelyn joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest in the history of Academy. She worked hard with determination, and hence she emerged as one of the highly successful multi-percussionists in spite of being disabled. She learned to feel music through the body instead of hearing through her ears. If you work hard and know where you're going, you will get there. She again lay emphasis that hard work always pays. Evelyn Glennie, besides going for various concerts, gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. She is an inspiration to everyone. She inspired the deaf children and accomplished more than most people twice her age. God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. These are the words of the master percussionist James Blades. Evelyn Glennie was selected as one of the 2 laureates for the Polar Music Prize of 2015. She has kept herself busy with performing for the disabled, prisoners, and for the sick. At the same time, she gives high priority to classes for young musicians. And Richlin clearly states that she is a shining inspiration they see for each and every one of us. Thank you all for watching this video.